In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to change binds in LEGO Fortnite. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Just like every single other Fortnite game mode, you will still be able to change specific keybinds for LEGO Fortnite. So all that you have to do is go over to these settings. You can either do this inside of the game or on the main menu of Fortnite itself. Just go over to the settings and switch over to either keyboard controls or controller mapping if you prefer. I'm going to showcase both in this video. So when you go over to keyboard controls, you will be able to browse through all of these. If you use the menu at the left side of the screen, you can find LEGO Fortnite Building, and then LEGO Fortnite Driver's Seat. So all of these refer to different categories of actions that you can do inside of LEGO Fortnite. And all that you have to do now is go through the process. So for example, let's say I want to dodge using shift. Now this is going to intercept sprint, but I'm still going to show it as a demonstration purpose. So as you can see here, if I press shift, now I'm going to be dodging. And you can even see it displayed over here at the right side under the map. It shows shift instead of control. And like I said, you can do this as many times as you wish with every single action inside of the game. You can even use the option to test. So this is all you have to do. I'm going to restart the default, but this is all you have to do, and like I said, all of the changes will be applied immediately. So change all of these to your own liking. The same thing can be done for controllers. So if you go over to controller mapping and you choose LEGO Fortnite, you will be able to see specific binds in the controller that is currently assigned. So this works both for PC and console, and regardless of whether you have a keyboard or controller connected to your PC or console, you will be able to change these binds without any issues. Just go over to LEGO Fortnite under keyboard controls and controller mapping, and you will be good to go. I hope I was able to help you on how to change binds in LEGO Fortnite. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.